Hi. Hi. Want to have dinner with me? Let's set the mood.
Oh my God.
Can I sing to you?
What do you think of my new lights? So it's motion sensor, and you dim and light up with just leaving your hand there for a few seconds. I thought it'd be a good addition to my cooking videos. Tonight, I marinated some beef ribs. I got it from King Soopers. They were on sale, and I will put the marinade in the description. Still these in the oven. I preheated. I did not. I'm gonna preheat now. If you guys get to know me, you'll know that I love bones. Like any meat with the bone. I have no shame. I'll start gnawing on the bone at a restaurant. Doesn't matter how fancy. It's the best part. Wrap it really tight because you want the heat and the steam to stay in with the meat as much as possible. So what are we gonna do in the meanwhile? I'm usually never home alone. The boys are at boxing. I got this at Costco the other day in the freezer section, and I wanted to do a live review with you guys, but it required 4 hours of thawing, and I don't know, I wasn't ready to record when it was done thawing, so. I ate half of it already. It's not like your traditional cheesecake. I feel like it's a combination of angel food cake and cheesecake. So it has that like dry fluffiness, and then you get the cheese taste. I like that it's not sweet, but it's not my favorite. I would give it a 5. I'm just eating it because I don't like to waste food. Okay with coffee, you know? This is 2 hours. Smells so good. Look at all those juices. Let's see how tender it is. Oh, it has some spring to it still. Oh, this one's actually, like for me, I like the spring. But maybe I'll just leave it in the oven until the guys get home. I don't know, I really like it like that. Because I want to feel like I'm working for the bone, you know? I'll leave it in, be extra tender by the time they get home. So if you want it really tender, just do like 2.5 hours or even 3 hours. Yeah, I like that cartilage, I like that crunch.
Jennifer 已经是对日落了窗外 ，Life Fantasy 填补我的状态，让它 noisy， 什么来自哇塞，Hey。
Okay, dig in, boys. You guys can be honest. It was still hot.
Never saw it. Yeah. It's good. I like it.
What makes it good?
So soft. Taste is so immaculate. So soft like my heart. Bringing like my emotions.